Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for students of class 3 subject English. Our today's thought is this: believe you can and you are halfway there. That means that you need to have self-confidence, you need to have faith in yourself. You have to believe that what you are thinking, you can really do it. When you believe in yourself, then half of the problem is solved. You come out of the problem. But first of all, you have to believe in yourself, means you have to keep confidence in yourself. And these are the common instructions that I give you every day, so I am not going to repeat, but I hope all of you are following these instructions without fail. The content of our today's video is this: chapter number 10, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. I will give the recap of the previous video. In short, the revision. We will solve the textual exercises, continuation. As we had left, we will continue from there. And we will learn how to write a notice. That is what I am going to teach you. It is given in your English textbook also, how to write a notice. And we will solve some textual exercises. So whatever we are doing, you have to write one time in the rough book. As I tell you every day, you should not forget to sit with your rough book and pencil. Let us start. So as you know, what had we started? We had started lesson number 10, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. In this lesson, we had started the textual exercises, the exercises that are given in the textbook. At the back of the lesson gets over, that are called textual exercises. So, let us begin. In our previous video, we had done these listening exercises. We had read the paragraph. I had read it twice, and then we had solved this, match the following, right? After that, we had done this pronunciation exercise. In that, I had taught you how to pronounce the words days, dolls, coat, king, 30, kingdom, foreign, merchant. Then we had seen the words with one syllable and double syllables. The words with one syllable with one vowel sound: coat, king, dolls, thin. Words with two syllables, double vowel sound: problem, greatness, secret, knowledge. Then we had did vocabulary exercises. In that we had learned about compound words. What are the compound words? When the smaller words are joined together to make a bigger word, that is called compound word. See, every plus one, everyone. Under plus stand, understand. Harm plus less, harmless. Any plus thing, anything. Then we had written the answers for this: foot plus ball, football. Cup plus cake, cupcake. Butter plus fly, butterfly. Sun plus flower, sunflower. Star plus fish, starfish. So we had done till here, and now we shall continue with the exercises of the textbook further. So today we will continue with the grammar part. In the textbook further we have the grammar part of the lesson. So in this, first we have reading exercise, means first we have to read the passage, right? So here it is written, read this passage. We have to read the paragraph, that is called read the passage, right? Let us read. You will attentively listen to me. A merchant came to King Krishnadevaraya's court The merchant gave the king 3 dolls. He asked the king's ministers to give an answer to his question regarding the dolls. Look at the words in the green. See the green color words: a, the, and the, that are green colored words. These are articles. What are these green color words called? A and the. They are called articles. An article is a word that modifies a noun and is placed before it. What is the work of an article? A and the. That will change the noun's meaning. It will modify, means it will change a noun, and it is placed before the noun. See, merchant is the noun and article A is placed before that. King is the noun, article the is placed before that. So articles are placed before the noun. Articles are of two types. There are two types of articles that you should know: indefinite articles, definite articles. Which are the two types of articles that you will have to learn? Indefinite articles and definite articles. See, I have already underlined the spellings. Now, what is the difference between these two? A and N are indefinite articles. These two, article A and article N, A and N are indefinite articles. We use them when referring to a singular noun. So, when you are talking about any one person, any one place, any one thing, means singular. Singular means one. If you are referring to any one thing, then we can use article A or N. Only if you are referring to singular, only one noun, then you can use article A or N. We use A before singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound. See, when do we use article A? When we are talking about countable nouns, means which we can count, like pencil we can count, eraser we can count, benches we can count. So all these are countable nouns, but water, milk, all these are uncountable nouns, right? So when we are talking about countable nouns, singular means only one pen or one pencil. At that time we can use article A, which begins with consonant sound. Consonant means all the alphabets in ABCD except A, E, I, O, U, because A, E, I, O, U are vowels and all other alphabets in ABCD are called consonant. So if there is a consonant sound, then also we use article A. See example: a doll, a king, a question. So all these are examples: a doll, a king, a question. We use N. When do we use article N? What is the use of article N? We use N before a singular countable noun which begins with vowel sound. So main thing you have to remember is this: we use article N with countable nouns which you can count it. Singular means only one noun which you can count, but it should start with vowel sound. Vowel means A, E, I, O, U. That 5 are called vowels. If the word starts with vowel sound, then which article will you use? N. See the examples: an apple, an orange, an umbrella. These are the examples: an apple, an orange, an umbrella. We can use these nouns with article N. An apple because it starts with A, that is vowel. Orange, it starts with O, that is also vowel. Umbrella starts with U, that's also vowel. So I hope you understood articles a and the. Here are some more examples. Now we have some more examples of articles. Let us see which are the examples. Right? Tenali Rama was a minister in King Krishnadevaraya's court. We have an hour to finish packing. Ritu bought an apple and a bunch of grapes. The is a definite article. See, these are the examples you can see over here. A minister means only one minister. An hour. Why do we say an hour? Because H is silent. How do we pronounce this? R, an hour. An apple. So these are articles A and N, examples. But the is a definite article. Article the is definite article. We use the when referring to specific people, places and things. When you are talking about someone specific, only one person, only one thing, then you can use article the. You are talking about any one person, any one place or any one thing, that is called specific. See, the sentences are given, read it. The sun is rising. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Ram Nath Kovind is the President of India. So, can you see article the is given everywhere, the sun, because it is definite, it is specific. Sun is only one, so the sun. Likewise, we can say the moon. But then the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is also there in Paris. That is a tower, a very long tower is there in Paris. It is only one in the whole world. So we say the Eiffel Tower. Then Ramnath Kovind, we know that he is the president because only one president is there in India. In all the other countries, president is only one, prime minister is only one. So the president means only one. Now, here we have the exercise. We have to fill in the blanks with articles a and the. The rules that we have learnt about the articles, where to use article a and the. We already studied that article a, article n are indefinite articles and they can be used with singular nouns. Article n is used when there is vowel sound. Article the is used when we have definite thing, when we are talking about any one person, place or thing. So, let us solve this exercise and you will also write the answers with me. In your rough book, you will copy the sentence and the answer also you will write. Number 1. He is dash engineer in my office. Dash engineer. See, here I can see the word E. Engineer, that is vowel sound. So, only one engineer we are talking about. He means only one and this is vowel. So, which article do we use? Article N. An engineer. What is the answer? An engineer. That we put it over here in the blank. He is an engineer in my office. Number 2. Dash play I saw yesterday was very good. Dash play I saw yesterday was very good. So here the play is only one. But I am talking about specific thing. Only one. Specific. Yesterday the play I saw, the drama which I saw was very good. But only the one which I saw yesterday. That is specific thing. I am not talking about any other day. Yesterday only. So it is specific. No other day. Only yesterday. So we use article the. And we will write in the second blank. The answer is the play I saw yesterday was very good. Number 3 we have his dream of becoming dash painter came true. His dream of becoming dash painter came true. Dash painter. So his dream and dash painter means only one person is there, only one boy. He became painter. So what article do we use, a, an or the? Painter means singular noun, only one person. Only one. And P, that is not a vowel, that is a consonant. So we use article a painter. So here the answer should be A. His dream of becoming a painter came true. Number 4. It is dash honor to work with you. It is dash honor to work with you. See, how did I speak this word? H-O-N-O-U-R. Honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. Honor. Here, H is silent. Did you notice that? H is silent. How do we pronounce the word? Honor. H is silent. So we speak O sound. Honor. Honor, not honor. It is wrong. What do you speak? Honor. So O is a vowel. We speak that with a vowel sound. And so which article do we write with vowel sound? An. It is an honor to work with you. Number 5. Dash is beautiful. Dash is beautiful. Here what is given? Mona Lisa. Dash Mona Lisa is beautiful. Do you know what is Mona Lisa? It is the name of the painting, right? It is the name of the painting. So it is proper noun. It is the name of the thing. So we use article the. The Mona Lisa is beautiful. The Mona Lisa is beautiful. So these were the 5 blanks on articles a and the. Now let us see the next. Here is the next exercise that we have. Complete this paragraph with suitable articles. Here also we have to use articles only. Which articles? Articles a and the. We have to use these articles and we have to complete the paragraph which is given over here. So let us do it. As I passed dash house, I heard melodious music. As I passed dash house. So here we are talking about only one house. I passed house. Only one house we are talking about, not many. So it is singular, means only one. So the answer will be A. As I passed a house, I heard a melodious music, means very sweet music. I stopped and looked through dash window. I stopped and looked through dash window. So there were many windows in the house, but I looked through any one window. I am talking about any one window. So again we will write the same article A. What should be the answer? I looked through a window. Means I looked inside, that where was that music coming from? So I looked through a window. It was dash little boy. It was dash little boy playing. What do we write over here? Dash little boy. Only one boy is there, not more than one. So singular A. It was a little boy playing dash violin. Violin, what is violin? You already know. So here, violin is an instrument. It is a musical instrument. So it was a little boy playing dash violin. He had only one violin, right? We are talking about a particular violin that the boy had. So we write article the, because this is the violin that the boy had with him. So the violin. I had dash idea. I had dash idea. With idea, see the first word is I. So it is a vowel, right? So with vowel what will you write? an. I had an idea because I is a vowel, so an idea. I contacted my music director and told him about dash talented boy. I contacted my music director and told him about dash talented boy. So he was the talented boy because we are talking about only one boy, no other boys. So the we have to write because he is the talented boy. Dash artist always has good future. An artist, because article A is given, see, so before A, E, I, O, U we write an. An artist always has dash good future. Dash good future. What will you write over here? A good future. Here we write article A. Artist always has a good future. So these are the answers of this paragraph. Now I will read whole paragraph with the answers. Be attentive while I read. As I passed a house, I heard melodious music. I stopped and looked through a window. It was a little boy playing the violin. I had an idea. I contacted my music director and told him about the talented boy. An artist always has a good future. Here you will write A capital. Why should be capital? Because here there is full stop. So after full stop we write capital. Then read these sentences which are given over here. One by one I will read and you will be attentive while I read. The problem was difficult, but Tenali Rama figured out the difference among the three dolls. These three dolls are different because one of them is good, one average, and one not so good. So the words in green are examples of joining words or conjunctions. See, the green color words but, because, and these are called joining words or conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words which connect two or more words or the part of the sentences together. See, the problem was difficult. Tenali Rama figured out the difference among the three dolls. These two sentences are joined with but. So conjunctions are joining words. They are joining the sentences. And we use conjunctions and to join two or more words, actions which are similar or connected. Why do we use conjunction and? To join two similar actions, same actions or which are connected with each other. See, I like apples and oranges. So you can say I like apples and I like oranges. That way also we can say. So apples and oranges. I will go to Nepal and climb Mount Everest. I will go to Nepal and climb Mount Everest. So, we use conjunction but to join two or more opposite thoughts. When you are joining two opposite thoughts, opposite things, then you can use conjunction but. She is tall, but he is short. I like apples, but not oranges. So we use conjunction or to join two or more actions which offer a choice. When you have two choices, you can use or. You can leave now or stay till the end of the program. Either you tell the truth or I will. We use conjunctions because, for, and so. Why do we use these three? Because, for, and so. To connect thoughts or sentences which are linked by cause and effect. When you are giving some reason, at that time you can use because, for, and so. See the example. Rajiv topped the exam because he studied hard regularly, showing cause. Reena could not focus in class for she was thinking about her new dress, showing cause. He came early, so we went out for dinner. Again, it is showing effect. So we can use because, for, and so when the reason is given. When the reason is given in the sentence, we can use because, for, and so. Now here we have to just mark the correct answer, fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions. Let us complete the exercise. 6 sentences are there. One by one we will read and mark the correct answer. You will also write in your notebook. Number 1. They worked dash and could not complete hard the task on time. They worked hard. They worked dash and could not complete hard the task on time. So they worked but could not complete the task on time. The answer is but. They arrived early means they came early. Dash, they wanted to help with the decorations. Why did they come early? Because they wanted to help with the decoration. So here the answer is because. The reason is given. Why did they come early? Because they wanted to help for the decorations. Pratik hurried out. Dash, he did not want to miss the train. Why did Pratik hurry out? Because, or for, he did not want to miss the train. So here the answer will be for. The reason is given. Why did he hurry out? For he did not want to miss the train. Number 4. Rita did not come to school. Dash, she had fever. So here the reason is given. Why did she not come to school? Because she had fever. Here the answer is because she had fever. Naveen finally decided to go. Dash, meet the principal. Naveen finally decided to go and meet the principal. To go there and meet the principal. Number 6. Do you want to have Chinese dash Italian tonight? So here choice is given. Chinese, Italian. In between that you have to select any one. What do you want? So Chinese or Italian. Do you want to have Chinese or Italian tonight? What do you want to have for dinner? Chinese or Italian? That you have to decide. So here we complete the exercise with conjunction. We studied so many different types of conjunctions over here. And, but, because, for, so. These are the different types of conjunctions that we studied. And we also studied about the articles a and the. Today, this is the textual exercise that we solved. So in today's exercise, we learned about the articles, definite and indefinite articles. A and N are definite articles, whereas the is the definite article. Article A and article N are indefinite articles. Article the is a definite article. Then we studied about the joining words or conjunctions, and we also completed the exercise on it. So thank you for watching the video. Keep doing your homework regularly. Take care of yourselves. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. And what else you have to do? You have to obey your parents, right? And here is the name of the student who is sending the regular homework every day, Bhojani Narjis, right? So every day I will display the name of one student who is sending the homework regularly. So those who want to see their name in the video, they have to send the homework regularly, and I will display their name on the screen. So keep doing your homework regularly like Narjis. and have a nice day. Thank you.